Welcome to another UEN teacher tip. My name is Kayla Towner, and in this video, we'll be learning about embracing the holidays in the classroom. The holidays are such an exciting time and fun. They can be a little overwhelming, but this gives us the opportunity to learn more about different cultures, traditions, and languages. Additionally, we can learn about important topics such as kindness, gratefulness, and selflessness. In this video, you'll be learning about 5 teacher tips on how to embrace the holidays in the classroom. Number 1, school holiday policies. Check your school's holiday policies before planning your lessons. I advise talk to your school administration. Number 2, research. To create an inclusive classroom, try teaching about new holidays. In Utah's online school library, if we go to the elementary database, then if we click on Culturegrams, then World Edition, choose a continent such as Asia, choose a country such as South Korea, and then scroll down to the lifestyle section, find holidays. Here we can view some Korean holidays such as Chuseok. It's a harvest holiday that's often compared to the US Thanksgiving. It's a time when families come together, share food, and celebrate those who have passed on. Number 3, focus on a lesson or theme. By doing this, you can focus on multiple holidays instead of focusing on one specific holiday. For example, you could focus your lesson on world holidays or the importance of giving back. Go into Gale In Context Elementary, click on Social Studies, then click on World Holidays. Here is an opportunity for you and your students to find information about all different holidays around the world. Number 4, engagement. Provide hands-on activities such as games, crafts, or experiments to make your lessons more engaging, interactive, and educational. For example, you could have a guest speaker come on and talk about a specific holiday, tradition, or go to Nearpod and conduct an interactive holiday lesson. Number 5, celebrate holidays all school year long. Consider celebrating holidays all school year by incorporating them into your curriculum. If you head into World Book Online, then click on Kids, then type in Holiday and click Explore, you and your students have the opportunity to learn about holidays all throughout the year, such as Boxing Day, and this holiday is celebrated by Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and even the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching this UEN teacher tip. Hope to see you all next week.